Welcome to our sixth edition of Education This Week by Indic Education. My name is Ravina and I'm back with more news highlights from the education sector over the last 7 days. The pandemic has brought a wind of change, adaptation, and improvement in the teaching learning process, with multiple policies, reforms, and modified curricula making the rounds. Let's get the latest update here. The Delhi government, on behalf of the Delhi Board of School Education, signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the International Baccalaureate Board in an effort to improve the schooling system for students of all communities. Since the IB curriculum is well known and has a global standard of education, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Education Minister Manish Sisodia stated that this partnership will help government schools in Delhi gain a high standard of imparting education, along with improving their infrastructural facilities and providing quality training to teachers. The process will begin with 30 schools and then advance to the next phases.
I am very excited, delighted to see that this agreement MOU has just been signed between Delhi government and International Baccalaureate. It's almost like a dream for us. It's like a dream coming true. Delhi government as well as International Baccalaureate will get a chance together to groom up students to international standards. If it succeeds, it will be a great model for the rest of our country, and it will show a way for the rest of our country that we can provide the best quality education to our poorest people. Because our government truly believes that education is one thing that can really transform the entire society and the entire country.
The Delhi government has officially declared that they will be developing an online monitoring system to keep a watch on the attendance of students who are admitted under reservation to private schools. In 2010, it was mandated that all private schools must have 22% of their seats reserved for students of weaker economic sections and disadvantaged groups, which includes scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, other backward classes, transgender students, and those affected by HIV or AIDS. An additional 3% is to be reserved for children with special needs. However, it was observed that many of these students did not continue their schooling with the same medium of instruction or dropped out of schooling altogether. This system will ensure central tracking of reservation students' attendance, which is to be updated by the school regularly in order to curb the number of dropouts. Since receiving multiple requests from enrolled Afghan students who stated their need to leave the country due to unrest, IIT Bombay has approved their return to the campus. The institute has said that Afghan students can return to the safety of their hostel and continue taking their classes online and not worry about the tense situation in their home country. The students had been admitted to IIT Bombay under the ICCR or Indian Council for Cultural Relations scheme.
So typically every year we admit quite a few foreign students, okay, who come from various sources, and one of them is ICCR. And under ICCR, this time we offered admission to 9 students from Afghanistan, okay. And unfortunately, because of the pandemic, since the classes are online, they were asked to continue on the classes from there online, which they were doing it, okay. The issue is that suddenly there was a realization by the students that things are not going to be as smooth as it was for them earlier. And they requested us that can you actually allow us to come here as a special case, because we are not allowing others, okay? Because we are in a very tight situation. Anytime there could be a difficulty and we can the government can fall. And if that happens, then there may be even stoppage of internet. We may not be able to take, even we have saved. Yeah. So can you allow us to come? So we said, yes, this is very special case. So we should consider, and we have allowed our own students who are from different remote places without, internet, allowed here to come and join us. Okay, so we did the same. But looks like now, even that's not going to help, because even if you allow, they may not be able to come. So we are saying that is the second decision that is very much important now, that in case they are not able to come this side, we'll try to reserve the seats for them, okay, so that they can come and join next year.
And that's it for our latest episode of Education This Week. I hope it helped you gather an all-rounded update on the education sector. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a comment, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Tap the bell icon for upcoming videos from Indic Education and do spread the word.